Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, unplug or switch the dedicated circuit. This prevents shocks and avoids board damage. Next, pull the refrigerator away from the wall enough to access the back panel. Make sure you have a flashlight and flat surface. While you open the panel, you should photograph every connector and label wires so reassembly is exact. Use a multimeter to verify 0 volts at the harness. Once done, remove mounting screws holding the old control board. Keep fasteners organized for the new board. You now remove the old control board. First discharge capacitors if present, then loosen screws and detach the board carefully to avoid bending connectors. Once out, compare the part number and pin pattern on the replacement. That prevents cross-compatibility errors. Begin reconnecting harnesses one at a time, matching photos and labels. Make sure connectors fully seat and clips engage. After all plugs are in, mount the new board firmly, replace screws, and tidy wiring away from fans or moving parts, because loose wires cause shorts. You finish by restoring power and watching for correct startup behavior. Lights, display, fans, and compressor should respond within minutes. This confirms basic functionality. If something is off, use a multimeter to verify 120V at the board and check sensor voltages or resistance as specified by service data. Make sure to recheck wire positions and the part number if error codes appear. If a fuse or connector is damaged, replace it. One key troubleshooting tip. Test with the old board connected only for voltage checks. Never power a known faulty board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.